Polestar's new electric car has no rear window. Whoa, just camera. See, that's interesting because forever what they wanted to do is put the cameras on the side mirrors, and they couldn't do it. They were always like, well, what if you need these things? It's highway traffic. What if there's a malfunction? You need to have these mirrors. But I haven't seen it on the rear exclusively without the window, other than on work vans. There's some work vans that have this because you simply can't see out the back. But this actually kind of almost as a design element gets you thinking, why do you need glass there if you have this really high quality camera?
Yeah.
I mean, I presume obviously that can malfunction as well, but you might get some ice buildup on there. You don't have to clean the entire glass, just clean the camera.
Sure.
I'm just putting this all through.
I like that idea.
My processing here. It helps the companies. Okay, here we go. Those in glass houses, you got to go down to the next paragraph for us to find out why. It's an idea that the company explored with its 2020 Precept concept car, but here it is for real. Polestar has done it by embracing the capabilities of a high-definition screen that replaces the age-old rear-view mirror. This displays a real-time feed from a roof-mounted rear camera and delivers a much broader field of vision. Yeah, it's like it gives you like a wide-angle view that you couldn't possibly generate just with your own eyes in a mirror through the glass. There's many cars, by the way, that feature these things, but they often have the glass as well. You have this camera out the back that you flip down, you see it in I think the Hummer EV had that. There's a number of vehicles that have this. In the past, we've always had to provide an opening at the rear for a physical mirror. Camera tech is now very high resolution. It works well at nighttime, and the software is constantly being upgraded. So we can add value to the system over time. We could remove the rear window and move the whole structure further back. It creates a cocoon. So they're saying, hey, it's better anyway, so we don't need the glass. We got an aerodynamic advantage here. The car's development has been driven by the availability of the technology, but it also improves aerodynamics and it improves the roominess of the interior. On an SUV coupe, these are often in conflict. You aim to get a sleek silhouette, otherwise, what's the point? But then the interior space is compromised. You know what this reminds me of? Sometimes when you get the glass panel roof option on your vehicle, it will actually give you less headroom. You'd think, how is that possible? But it's because of the pieces that hold it in place have to come down lower than if you just had a roof structure that was lighter weight. So I presume they can get a little bit more in internal interior volume without having to have that piece of glass back there as far as the support pieces to hold it in place. Maybe they can make it a little bit lighter, the vehicle, so you can get a slightly better range.
Interesting.
So you can understand what the advantages or what the advantages that they're exploring, but it kind of looks funky when you see it.
Yeah.
You're so used to seeing glass back there.